Once upon a time, there's a girl named Luigi.
Story naman yan.
He was a 22-year-old girl that had no husband until RJ Ballesteros, a handsome man from Chicago, a badminton player in Visayas, met Jairus, which is Jairus is the father of Luigi. Luigi is finding someone to date for her to be happy. But her father doesn't allow RJ until RJ defended himself because he wanted to be with Luigi. Oh, the conflict between Jairus and RJ was so intense that Luigi cried and cried every morning. Cried until her eyes were swollen. Cried until he almost died. Until the father of Luigi decimated the father of RJ. And they, what the the father of Luigi pala, pre, suffered injury in the neck. Gagi, bigla naglag. What the fuck?
239 MB.
Wow. He woke up. Tayo na, pre. Okay na ba tatay mo, Luigi? Until Luigi had enough with her father. His father died from choking. And RJ finally won the battle between love and Luigi. The end. Look at Luigi with his happy smile. And RJ with his jolly smile. With the father not having any conscience. Po tayo.